Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today we're going to take a Paramount valve and we're going to swap out the gear module on the inside, so stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. So, first things first, if you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe. Let's dive into this valve. So, we got a Paramount 6-port valve here. Obviously, I don't have it plumbed in anything, but your Paramount 6-port valve looks like this. It's come up out of the ground, and it's got the whole housing, gauge, lid, clamp, and lower housing here. And there's a valve module inside, a little gear assembly. Maybe my guys can pop it up in the corner somewhere so you can see what it looks like, but we're gonna swap that out today. So let's dive in. So first things first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off my clamp. So the clamp is one of two ways. You're either gonna have this nice knob on here, or you're gonna have a nut. So I'm just showing you the nut here, but on mine, I've got a nice knob. So I'm gonna take this off. All right. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to diagnose if it's bad as well. So I'll show you the things to look for on a bad valve. So first things first though, I took my clamp off. Pretty straightforward. Make sure your system is off when you do this. So please do not have your pump running or else this thing is gonna blow up in your face. So, lid comes off. My valve module assembly. This is the easiest thing in the world. All you're gonna do is lift it out, okay? So, to figure out if these are bad, first things first, take a look at it. There'll be rocks in here. There might be some stuff in the gears. If you can move it around, kind of shake out, if a bunch of stuff falls out, you can try to put it back in. However, so I'm gonna turn this thing upside down so you guys can see what I'm referring to right now. So, these piston assemblies on the bottom of here, okay? First off, they don't want you to twist them. They only put do not twist on here 18 times. So I guess they don't want you to twist these things. So what you want to do, these pistons, what you'll see on yours is it'll look like that when this thing goes bad. They kind of stick up and they're very free flowing. So you might be able to wiggle around really easily, push it in and out, but it's hard for me to show you this right now, but this is a newer one and it's kind of hard for me to pull these up. They should snap back into place like that when you pull on them, because that's a properly working valve. If you can pull on it and it stays up, you have to replace this entire assembly. From my knowledge, I don't know how to replace these individual pistons. I don't know if that's a thing. I've heard somebody try to do it once, but probably didn't succeed very well. Paramount does not sell these pistons individually, so you're gonna have to replace this entire module. I know it kind of stinks, can get rather expensive, but unfortunately, when one of these pistons goes bad, you gotta replace the module. So another thing with these pistons, yeah, they'll either stuck up, stuck down, or very easy to pull up and down, replace it. So let's take a look on what's on the inside of this box. The part number that you're looking at to replace this is 004-302-440800. So let's go ahead, now that I jam that thing in there, take my old one out. I got my new one here, so I'm gonna pop open the tape. Pop open my valve module assembly. First things first, this module was wet tested and contains water. So if you see this bag, it comes in a bag with instructions. This is the biggest question we always get about these things, is a lot of people think these are all used. However, again, wherever my little sticky note went, it's wet on the inside because they test them at the factory. They want to make sure that they're sending you a working unit, which I think is the best thing ever rather than sending you a broken unit. So as you can see here, it's wet. Ball bearings on the inside. To be honest with you, this valve is designed a lot like the caretaker valve. Please don't get me in trouble for saying that, but ball bearings, pistons, gears, yeah. So, comes right here. This right here, let me show you this camera. So we got my sticker right here with the date code, okay? The things that I want you to see is right here, as is passed. That means quality control passed. This water tested from the factory. It passed their checks and balances. So next to it, that is your date of manufacturing. So that date of manufacturing is what they're gonna go on their warranty with. So if for some reason this sticker is gone, you're out of luck for your warranty. They use high, heavy strength stickers. Realistically, I've seen this sticker last for 20 years. So what you're gonna wanna do is not ever peel the sticker off. So the sticker has everything on it with the part number in case you need to replace it again. So part number, date code, quality control passed. You're golden. So what you're gonna do now with the 6-port, 6-port's the easiest one to install that they sell because they have these pins on the bottom. There's 2 here and 2 here, and this is wide open on the bottom. So literally, if you can just find your slot, it'll fall into place. Once it falls into place, you're good to put your system back together. Lid goes on, clamp goes on. So I'm gonna use my knob again. Do not ever use one of those drill knob adapters. There's like a big thing that goes over this you can tighten it with. I like to hand tighten these to make sure you don't over tighten it. So what I'm gonna do is go pretty good until it's snug. And then I'm gonna take my screwdriver, hit the back end, tighten it some more. So now it gets easier. So one thing I didn't show you was that every one of these gear modules comes with an O-ring. Obviously this is my brand new valve, so I didn't need to replace the O-ring, but it always comes with an O-ring. Always replace your O-ring, especially if it's years old. Throw a little thing of pool lube on the inside of there and put it on the inside. So that right there is how you replace a 6-port valve module with their OEM valve module assembly. I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.